Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in HUAWEI MatePad Pro. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts, always start from the simplest way, so check your focus mode. So open the top menu and expand icons. Now check that you have turned it off, then the display mode icon. In the next step, let's open settings and go to the apps. Select apps again and choose WhatsApp. Let's start from the notifications, check that you have this feature activated with the two of the notification styles. After that, go to the more settings and check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the storage. Remember to make the backup of your messages before and choose clear data. After that, tap on OK. You have to log in again to the WhatsApp accounts now and check your alerts. If you still don't have it, let's open the system and updates and choose reset. Tap on the network settings and tap on the reset network settings 2 times. And in the last step, try to upgrade the system, so go to the software update if you have any, install it and check your WhatsApp again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.